Hello friends. Today we unlock the secrets to building lasting wealth. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about harnessing the power of long-term stock investments. Imagine watching your money grow steadily over time, building a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. That's the magic of the stock market when you play the long game. Many people chase quick profits, jumping in and out of stocks. But true wealth is built by investing wisely and patiently. Think of it like planting a tree. You nurture it, give it time to grow strong roots, and eventually it bears fruit for years to come. Long-term investing is your key to financial freedom. It allows you to ride out market fluctuations and benefit from the steady growth of strong companies. By staying invested, you harness the power of compounding, where your returns generate even more returns over time. So, if you're ready to ditch the get-rich-quick mentality and embark on a journey to lasting wealth, stick with me. We'll explore proven strategies and unlock the secrets of the Nifty 50. Get ready to transform your financial future. Before we dive into the exciting world of Nifty 50 investments, I have a special surprise for you. Because your financial journey is important to me, I'm giving away a gift worth Rs 21,000 to every viewer who watches this video till the very end. That's right. Your commitment to learning could unlock incredible value. This gift is designed to give you a head start on your investment journey. I want to empower you with the knowledge and tools to make smart financial decisions. So, stay tuned and discover how to claim your reward at the end of this video. Remember, your path to financial freedom starts right now. Now, let's talk about the Nifty 50. What is it and why should you care? Simply put, the Nifty 50 is an index of the top 50 companies listed on the National Stock Exchange of India. Think of it as a collection of the biggest and most influential players in the Indian stock market. From Reliance Industries, the energy giant, to HDFC Bank, a banking behemoth, these companies represent various sectors of the Indian economy. Investing in the Nifty 50 means owning a piece of India's growth story. But remember, investing isn't about blindly picking stocks. It requires careful analysis and understanding. That's where technical and fundamental analysis come in. These are the two pillars of smart investing, and we'll explore both in detail. Technical analysis is like reading the language of the charts. It involves studying price movements, trading volumes, and other market data to identify patterns and trends. Think of it as looking for clues to understand the sentiment and behavior of other investors. Technical analysts use various tools and indicators to make sense of the market. One popular tool is moving averages, which helps smooth out price fluctuations and identify trends. Another is the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, which measures the strength of price movements and can signal overbought or oversold conditions. For example, let's look at the daily chart of Reliance Industries on TradingView. Notice how the 200-day moving average has consistently acted as a support level for the stock price. This indicates strong buying interest at that level, making it a potential buy zone for long-term investors. Section 5. Mastering the art of fundamental analysis. While technical analysis focuses on market data, fundamental analysis delves into the financial health and performance of a company. It's like looking under the hood of a car before buying it. You want to ensure the engine is in good shape, the financials are solid, and the company has a bright future. Fundamental analysts examine a company's financial statements, industry trends, management quality, and other factors to assess its intrinsic value. They look at metrics like earnings per share, price to earnings ratio, and return on equity to understand its profitability, valuation, and growth potential. Let's take the example of HDFC Bank again. By analyzing its financial statements on TradingView, we can see that it has a consistent track record of strong earnings growth, a healthy net interest margin, and a low level of non-performing assets. These factors indicate a financially sound and well-managed bank, making it an attractive long-term investment. Section 6. Case study: analyzing a Nifty 50 giant. Now, let's put our knowledge into practice with a real-world example. We'll analyze Infosys, a global IT giant and a prominent member of the Nifty 50. First, we'll look at its technical chart. Notice how the stock has been in a steady uptrend for the past year, breaking above key resistance levels. The RSI is above 50, indicating bullish momentum. Next, we'll delve into its fundamentals. Infosys has a strong balance sheet, consistent revenue growth, and high profitability margins. Its return on equity is impressive, indicating efficient use of shareholder capital. These factors suggest Infosys is a fundamentally strong company with a bright future. By combining technical and fundamental analysis, we get a holistic view of Infosys. The technicals suggest bullish momentum, while the fundamentals confirm its underlying strength. This makes Infosys a potentially attractive investment for long-term growth. Section 7. Turning analysis into action. Building a winning portfolio. Now that you understand the power of technical and fundamental analysis, how do you apply this knowledge to build a winning portfolio? Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different sectors and companies. Start by identifying your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Then, research and select Nifty 50 stocks that align with your criteria. Don't be afraid to seek advice from financial advisors if needed. Remember, building a portfolio is an ongoing process. Regularly review your holdings, rebalance when necessary, and stay updated on market trends. And most importantly, be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful investment portfolio. Section 8. The power of patience. Why time is your greatest ally. In the world of investing, patience is not just a virtue, it's your greatest weapon. Remember the tree analogy? It takes time for your investments to grow and compound into significant wealth. The longer you stay invested, the more you benefit from the power of compounding. Don't get swayed by short-term market fluctuations. The stock market is like a roller coaster. There will be ups and downs. But as long as you believe in the long-term potential of your investments, stay the course. Remember, time is your ally, not your enemy. Stay focused on your financial goals, ignore the noise, and let your investments grow steadily over time. The magic of compounding will take care of the rest. Remember, the key to building wealth is not timing the market, but time in the market. Section 9. Claim your financial freedom. Your next steps. Congratulations! You've now gained valuable insights into building wealth through long-term stock investments. You've learned about the Nifty 50, the power of technical and fundamental analysis, and the importance of patience and diversification. Now, it's time to take action. Remember the special gift worth Rs 21,000 I mentioned earlier? Here's how to claim it. First, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Next, take a screenshot of this video and share it on your social media with the hashtag #DeltaEdgeInvesting. Finally, send me a direct message with your screenshot and I'll share the details of your incredible gift. It's that simple. Don't miss out on this opportunity to jumpstart your financial journey. Claim your gift today. Section 10. Join the Delta Edge community today. Thank you for joining me on this journey to financial freedom. Remember, knowledge is power, and by continuously learning and applying these strategies, you can achieve your financial dreams. But don't stop here. Join the growing Delta Edge community. Connect with me on social media for more tips, insights, and exclusive content. Let's build a community of empowered investors who support and learn from each other. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is more rewarding when shared with others. So subscribe, share, and let's grow together.